All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. So, Jamaica just lost to Mexico 2-1 in the Concacaf U15 Championship. Guess what? I have the full match highlights. I will be showing you the match highlights. This is a match reaction. After I show you full match highlights, the total match highlights, I will give you guys my match reaction, what are my thoughts about the game, and just give you guys a breakdown of what happened, areas that we can fix on, areas that will look good in, and things that are the positive. And also, negatives are always there. But we're going to get into that. Please do smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and let's get straight into it. Now let's get straight to the highlights, people. I know you guys want to see that, and that's what you guys are here for. Let us go. All right, so that was the full match. As you can see, you guys that have seen where we conceded our goal, you guys that have seen where we score a goal as well. We conceded 2 goals. Unfortunately, a bit disappointed in conceding those 2 goals, but certainly I do think that the boys have had a really good campaign so far. I think they would have advanced now because they're on 6 points, only losing 1 game, and that's against Mexico. And I do think that they really represented themselves extremely well. I thought that it would have been a tough game, and certainly it was a tough game. I thought that we represented ourselves well, we played well. No, as the game started off, I think that the Mexico had good, really, really good dominance in the first half. A lot of opportunity, a lot of shots at goal. And we had one clear-cut opportunity that was with Kyle Miles. Almost a 1v1, but it was a big, big chance. Didn't work out, unfortunately. But as the game proceeds, first half ended 0-0. As the game proceeds, after that, Mexico still created quite a few chances. Fortunately, they didn't really capitalize on it. And fortunate for us, basically. So the game ended 0-0 in the first half. In the second half now, quite a few changes were made. We'll see Giovanni Taylor coming on. So definitely when they came on, they had a bit of extra tempo to the game, and they started to turn it upon Mexico a bit. We really put Mexico to the sword. 1 and 2 unfortunate mistake, 1 and 2 errors from the goalkeeper as well. And you'd have seen one where actually went through his gloves and also his foot. But nevertheless, they still held their own, put Mexico under a bit of pressure. I think they had like repeatedly like about 3-4 shots behind each other. But guess what? A breakout by Mexico, hit a shot, deflected off the defender, spin, roll, drop right inside the goal. Very unfortunate. We get back on time immediately. Malik White beating his man, play the ball over the top, releasing Giovanni Taylor. And you know, Giovanni Taylor, cool and calm as ever, tipped that over the goalkeeper and scored that goal. In the last dying moment though, just minutes, and I mean just minutes to go, Mexico got a corner, and on that corner, I think who was there? I think it was Brown. Was it Brown? No, it was not Brown. Let me check. I want to check sure, but I know that for sure. I know for sure that Malik was there. I do think that they could have done a bit better in that situation. I think it was the number 5. Why don't I remember his name? I think it was it 5 or 17? I think it was McLean. Either McLean or Joe. I think it was McLean. I think it was McLean. But not just football. That's something that they definitely learn from. At the end of the day, at the end of the game, you'll see where coach and they were speaking with the players and just talking about their positioning. But it was definitely a good game by the Reggae Boyz. I thoroughly enjoyed that game. They represented themselves well. They played well. They played really, really well. And they didn't come out victorious. I thought that they would have gotten something from the game. That's what football is. But certainly a good performance by the boys. Anyways, people, please do smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. And enjoy the rest of your day, people. Big up MG Sports TV. Like, share, and subscribe. Big up to our viewers, subscribers, patrons, and also channel members. Glad to have you guys here every day. Big up, people. Rote. Boom.